Cushy? Cushy? Who's that?
Matthew's family in the building tonight. Christina, we'll start with you. First, what did you think of Matthew's song choice?
I love this song choice for you, and